In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the high beam headlight bulb on this Mitsubishi Lancer. This is going to be located in your headlight assembly. Let's get into it. On the passenger side, you're going to have to remove the washer fluid reservoir filler neck. On the driver's side, you don't have to do that. We're going to use a 10mm socket. Take this bolt out and grab the filler neck a little bit lower. Should be able to slide it out. If there's a good amount of fluid in there, you might want to put a drain bucket underneath, but if it's below the filler neck, nothing is going to spill out. Now reach down behind the headlight assembly and there's a cap right here. You want to twist that cap to the left, pull that off, just out of the way. There is wires that go through it. And you can see the bulb right here. Right there. You just want to twist that to the left, so push it down. Pull that bulb out. You can see the connector right there. Just push on that connector. Disconnect that. And take the connector, connect the new bulb. You do not want to touch the glass. It's a good idea to wear gloves while you're doing this. And this is a 9005 bulb. I'm going to slide that in position. It's going to go in the same way it came out. Just get that lined up. Twist it to the right. That's good. It's locked in place. And take the cap, line the cap up. Push it in place. Push it down and twist it to the right until it locks in. That's good. Now take the filler neck, get that lined up down below. Push that in place. Get the screw in. Snug it down. You could do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.